Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at how we can increase the amount of views we get on our YouTube videos by doing a few simple tricks. This could easily help you gain an extra 1,000 views a month, even to 100,000 views a month. It just depends on how lucky you are. And the first tip is, always have a schedule when uploading videos. You want to at least upload one video a day. For example, upload a video in the morning and maybe in the evening at the same time every day. That way users know when to expect a video to be uploaded by yourself. Uploading new content every day proves to your subscribers that you are still active and trying really hard to make your YouTube channel the best. And the next tip is, that is really going to help make your videos gain lots of views. And that is using a website called moz.com. They have a keyword explorer. And straight away, as you can see, I've typed in Fortnite as the keyword I want to search. If you just type in this box here what your video is about, so I've got a gameplay video on Fortnite, I want to see what keywords are searched the most on YouTube in Fortnite. And if we look to the right hand side here, we can see how many searches this keyword Fortnite gets a month. As you can see, it says it gets 1.5 to 6.9 million searches a month, which is fantastic, that's great, which means that would be a great keyword to use. But if that keyword gets searched that amount of times every month, that means you probably aren't going to end up top in those search results. Really, we need to find a keyword that still gets searched a lot, but doesn't get searched as much. For example here, this is a great one, Fortnite Epic Games. It's only been searched in the month 501 times to 850 times. If we put that in our keywords, we are more likely to have people come across our video. And if we were to use that as our title, then we would definitely come top in those results on the first page. This really is a great website because you can just get an idea of all the good tags to use on your YouTube videos. For example, here we've got Fortnite release date PC. It's only have 51 to 100 searches. But if you use that in your keywords, then you're more than likely going to end up on the first page on the search results. Let's just scroll down a little more here. Fortnite trailer, that gets 1.7 to 2.9 thousand views a month. The list basically goes on. I really do recommend you give this website a try, as it's also good finding out what sort of keywords everyone is using on their YouTube videos, because I know myself, I do struggle sometimes to know what keywords to use on my videos, and this website definitely does help. I hope this video has helped a little bit. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Also, if you have a video you would like me to do, then send me a message and I will look into doing that video for you.